Hello and welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This week we are going to hook up a cable modem to the internet. Let's switch over to it now. Okay, here's the wall outlet for the coax. Come on Josh, focus the camera buddy. Okay, here we go. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Let's tighten this bad boy down. And we got it. Okay. Now let's get tighten on the modem. Man, this takes a little while because this is a very strong cable. Almost got it. Come on. Almost got it. Got it. Okay. Now let's plug the Ethernet into the modem. Got it. Now we're going to plug the power supply in. And this is really difficult doing with one hand. Okay, got it. Power light is blinking and lit. Receive light is blinking and lit. Send light is blinking and lit. Now I gotta wait for the online light. Okay. Online light is blinking. And it's lit. We're online. This is just an informational video on how to hook up a modem. If it needs to be activated, please call your internet service provider. Give them the MAC address and whatever information that they may need to activate it. I hope this helps you understand how a modem on the plug for the cable on the wall. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and